Seattle, get ready. I'm Kent Stevenson, and I'm inviting you to the Brilliance Gospel Music Interfaith Choir Workshop. It's going to be a weekend of community and soul-stirring harmony. Our exciting 3-day workshop weekend begins on Friday, April 4th, with a meet and greet from 5 to 7 at the Washington State Black Legacy Institute in West Seattle. The address, 2656 42nd Avenue Southwest. Then on Saturday, April 5th, from 10 to 4, we gather at St. Therese Catholic Church, located in the Madrona neighborhood, 35th and Marion. There, we will explore the power of gospel music. As a special guest, we're bringing in the phenomenal Eric Dozier, an internationally renowned gospel composer, musician, and storyteller. Eric will illuminate how gospel music has carried the faith, hope, and resilience throughout history. Then, the big day. On Sunday, April 6th, from 5 to 7, we return to St. Therese for a powerful workshop concert performance. Come sing, clap, and be moved. Let's make a joyful noise together.